What is up, guys? TNT Man85 slash Madden Mobile slash NBA Live Mobile here, and we're back with another Madden. What's the name? Mobile pack opening. In this video, we're opening two sparkler packs, and opening one 4th of July gold player pack. Boom, boom. Bronze trophy. Boom, boom. And silver trophy, okay. Let's see this. Oh, Blaine Gabbert. Look at this set so far. Oh, wait, is this no seasonal? Look at this so far. Only 5 more. Oh, this is the wrong one, guys. What's the name? Only 5 more players, and we'll complete this thing. Elite 4th of July. Go. What's the name? 4th of July player. Well, guys, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys when I'll see you guys. Peace.